What is up, guys? Shocker, my hair is the same as it was in the last video. Yeah, I filmed videos on the same day. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, that I look identical to my Let's Talk video, let's talk about products. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing my face, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys end up liking me, you guys want to stick around, hit that red button right now down below and then comment in the comment section and say, hello, I'm a new subscriber. I'm going to be commenting back to each and every one of you and welcome you guys to my channel because it really does mean a lot to me that you guys would subscribe. It takes a lot for me to subscribe to people, so the fact that you guys would means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, stay updated on what I'm doing. But I had a random thought the other day, and my thought was, I have a lot of beauty products that I always consistently use, and I feel like I don't put out as many, I don't put out as many favorites videos anymore, and I don't do as many get ready with me's, and I want to share my ultimate best beauty products that I have. And I have just a few, I mean, I have a good pile here, but these are just products that I personally find are really amazing, and if you haven't tried them, you should. So let's get into it. We're gonna start with skincare first. So one thing I want to say is if you guys are washing your makeup off every single night, which you should be, is to use an oil or some makeup removing oil to take that off. I personally don't have an oil right now because I just ran out. Oh. The makeup removing oil that I was just using is the Tatcha cleansing oil. I'll put a picture of it right here if you guys are interested in getting it. It is a little bit expensive, but it is really amazing. You put this on right before you wash your face. And then the second thing that I want to say is it is so 12 years ago. No, it is so not cute to be washing your face every night with just your hands. I feel like that just does not get anything off. If I were to wash my face every night with just my fingers, it would literally still have a full face of makeup on. So this is what I use every single night. This is not sponsored. I have had this for quite a long time. This is a Vanity Planet, like, I think it's called the Ultimate Spa Pro, but I really only use 2 brushes on this. So this is a silicone brush. And as you guys can see, it is just this little, oh, that's kind of gross. There's a lot of makeup on there. But it's just a silicone brush. So once I put all the oil on my face, I will, like, it turns on and rotates and scrubs the makeup out. So what I do is I scrub my whole face with this. And I feel like if you guys don't have something to wash your face with at night, something to really get deep into those pores, this comes with 2 other brush heads. This one is the other one that I use, and this is the exfoliating one. I love both of them. I will have everything linked down below if you guys want it, but yeah, this is the other thing that I use and I absolutely love. The next thing along with removing your makeup is these are the best makeup wipes I have ever used in my life. These are, as you guys can tell, this is like empty. These are the Neutrogena Makeup Removing Cleansing Towelettes. These are the hydrating ones. So if you guys know the original packaging of Neutrogena makeup wipes, it's this baby blue color, super cute. Here it is on the screen right here. That's great. But these hydrating ones will change your life. They smell so good. I want to know if this is like watermelon or cucumber or whatever it is, but like, oh my God, it smells so good and it is so hydrating on your skin. So after you wash your face, you take most of your makeup off. I normally will do the oil to take my makeup off. I'll do a scrub to take the rest of it off. And then I will use a makeup wipe and I will go in again and take everything else off. And these are the ones I use. They are a gem. They are so good at CVS, Target, wherever you go. I get a lot of questions on, I always wear like my hair in like a sleek bun or ponytail or whatever, and I get a lot of questions on it because people are like, how did you get your hair that like tight to your head, whatever. And so I want to mention 2 things I feel like you need if you guys are interested in doing this hairstyle. They are amazing. I'm sure there are other gels out there, but this is the personal one that I use and absolutely love. This is the L'Oreal Lock-It Extreme Style Gel. This has a really, really good hold. I have another one by Tresemme, and I honestly don't like it as much as I like this one. This one is way better for me. So what I like to do, and this is the, oh, there's hair everywhere. This is the serious key to getting it like all laid down, is using a bamboo toothbrush. And the reason I say to use this for your bun, your ponytail, whatever, is I will normally put gel on the back of my hand, just like that, and then I will take the brush and I'll put some gel in there, and then I comb my hairs out. This does a lot better job of keeping all the baby hairs and everything really tight, but it also like combs it out in a really nice way. I don't know how to describe it, but it just looks way better. I do this almost every single day. You can either do hairspray on the brush or gel. I do this every single day whether I'm wearing a ponytail. If I just have my hair down, I always have flyaways, so I'll do some hairspray here, some gel. I'll comb it out a little bit and leave. Sorry, my camera died. Okay, and we're back. But basically, that is what I use if I want to do a sleek ponytail or just in my day-to-day life. So the next product I have is for girls with blonde hair, and this is a holy grail. This has legit saved my life. I'm not joking. This is the Living Proof Color Care Whipped Glaze. There are two shades of this. There is a light purple bottle and then there is a dark purple bottle, and what it is a foam. I don't want to spray it out right now, but it is a foam, and what you do is you shower, and then once you get out of the shower, you put the foam into your hands and you work it all throughout your hair. So if you have dyed your hair like a week ago or maybe 2 weeks ago and you need a little bit of a touch up, but you don't want it to look like streaky, and I have that problem using purple shampoo because a lot of times the purple will stick to random areas of your hair and not your whole head, and then you can tell you use purple shampoo. This does not do that. This blends so seamlessly. You just leave it in your hair damp, and that's all you do. You just rub it in. You don't wash it out, nothing. It's the best. It's life-changing, and yeah, I just really love it. Next up, I'm going to talk about this perfume, and I've talked about it before, but I'm going to again because if you guys haven't tried this, it is the best perfume I have ever worn, ever had in my whole life. This is the Kealy Vanilla 28 perfume. This is by Huda Beauty, and it is so good. They sell it at Sephora. It is a sophisticated, amazing, like, it is such a good scent. Also, if you are interested, men are attracted to the vanilla scent for some reason, but this is a vanilla scent that's not really like super sweet. It also has a bit of like maturity to it. It's not just like you're spraying on your old Victoria's Secret vanilla whatever, Bath and Body Works. Like, it is so good. If you can, I would go to Sephora, try and see if they have it, get a sample. This is the best perfume I've ever had. I've never got as many compliments as I do when I wear this perfume. Every single person, every single time I wear it, always asks me what it is. It also, for some reason, stays on for hours. It stays on so freaking long. I will put this on in the morning, and then I will go somewhere for like dinner, and someone will be like, wait, you smell so good, and I'm like, that is bomb, because my other perfumes do not do that. Okay, next up, I want to talk about a foundation that I feel like a lot of you guys will really love, and it is one of my holy grail foundations, and it's drugstore. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow. If you are into that dewy, glowy, like beautiful gloss look, this foundation is everything. I wear the shade 205, not right now, I don't have a spray tan, that's why I'm pale and glowing and look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, but this foundation is the most dewy, perfect, glowy foundation I've ever had, and it's drugstore. So if you guys do want to try it, go to your local CVS, Target, whatever, and pick it up. I would highly recommend it. It is almost like the Giorgio Armani. Honestly, I would legit compare it to the Giorgio Armani. It is that good to me. It is a very liquid form. It's not a thick consistency. It is a liquid foundation. It's really runny, just like how the Giorgio Armani one is, but it still has a lot of coverage, and it is 24-hour wear. It's really good. If you guys are looking for a new foundation but you guys don't want to spend a lot of money trying one out, I would suggest trying this one. Next up, let's talk about lashes. So I posted this video of my eyelashes onto my Instagram story. Okay, not to just gas myself up or anything, but guys, my lashes have grown. Like, okay, I know my brows aren't done, but look at my lashes. They look like lash extensions. I'm so confused. Well, I'm not confused. It's because I've been using this serum. Thank you, So Addicted. My lashes have literally never looked like this in my life. And after I posted it, everyone was like, oh my gosh, your lashes really do look long. And so for those of you who didn't see in the video there what product I was talking about, I was talking about this. And this is the So Addicted Lash Addict Eyelash Conditioning Serum. And I've never used an eyelash treatment. I actually got this because when I was working at the Mayfair Group, when I was an intern there, they had this in the office because this is one of the brands they represent. And I was like, oh, I'll try it out. Like, I wasn't really trying to grow my lashes. I just was gonna try it. And then what do you know, 3 weeks later, my lashes have grown and I'm starting to get compliments on them. The other day I was working out and I was being spotted by my assistant trainer, Laura, and she was like, your lashes look so good. And I was like, it's this serum. You don't understand, it's life-changing. So in case you guys are looking to actually invest in trying to grow your lashes out, you guys can try this. I think it's like $70 maybe. I don't really know. Again, everything's linked down below, but it's the best lash serum ever. And it actually works. Like, it's not a sugar bear hair deal. This actually really will grow your lashes. On top of that, I have two other lash products. So the first one is this mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. It is so freaking good. This is one of the best mascaras I have ever used, hands down. It's really hard for me to stick to a mascara. I have like 30 different mascaras and I will always grab and just pick one randomly each day. But this one is I run out of it so much because it is always the one that I'm going for because it really makes my lashes look the best. Next up, let's talk about some highlight because I do get a lot of questions and I get a lot of questions on how is your skin so dewy and how do you make it look like that, whatever. And I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial here soon and get ready with me again here soon, but I genuinely think that the reason I get those questions is because of these two products right here. This is the Milani Strobe Light. So I have it in 03, which is Sun Glow. Obviously you can see it is a darker shade. And then I also have it in 05, which is Summer Glow. This is the one that I'm using currently on my cheekbones. And I feel like this is just the most natural looking dewy glow. Whenever I'm going to class and I just want to throw on concealer, I will always put this on top because it makes me just look like I have a little bit more life to my skin. I have a little bit more brightness. This highlighter is everything. I'm so over powdered highlighters, powdered or compact highlighters. I am very, very into doing the dewy kind of look and just tapping this on my cheekbones, above my eyebrows. I even do it on my eyelids, where I would highlight my brow, my nose, my cupid's bow. This is the best. And again, it's another drugstore price. So a lot of these products are more affordable for you guys. Next up, I want to talk about this bronzer, and I want to talk about it because I realized the other day I have been using this bronzer for 2 years and that really has never happened. This is the Hourglass Ambient Luminous Bronze Light, and this bronzer is so freaking good. I realized how much I loved it when I realized I am about to hit pan on a bronzer, and I've never hit pan on a bronzer. And I also use this when I have a spray tan and when I'm light, which is very weird to me because normally when I get a spray tan, I am 1,000 shades darker than what I really am. But for some reason this works. And I think that's because it has just the perfect amount of bronze and just the perfect amount of glow in it. I'll show you guys up close kind of what it looks like. But it has just hints of glow in it, and I just think it's beautiful. And I'm wearing it today on my cheekbones and I have absolutely no spray tan, so I feel like that really says something. Or it could just say that I don't really know how to match my neck and my face together, whichever one you want to choose. But I absolutely love this bronzer. I had to share it. It is so good. I've been using it for years. Next up, I want to talk about a face powder. This one I have been using is by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the Loose Illuminating Powder. I did not know what this was when I got it because I thought it was a translucent, but it is not really translucent. As you guys can see, it's peachy pink, and I have been using this to put a little bit on in my under eyes, but it also has a little bit of glitter and glow to it. That's why it's called illuminating powder. And so I've been sprinkling it a little bit kind of just to set my face but not make it look super dull. I love it. I think it is an amazing powder and it's a really, really good formula. Like, I genuinely love it, and I never really thought I would say that coming from a Kylie Cosmetics standpoint. Like, I love Kylie Cosmetics, but I was a little nervous when I got this in the mail, like, what is this gonna do for me? And I really, really like it. On top of that, going with another Kylie Cosmetics product I wanted to talk about. I have talked about this multiple times on my channel, on my Instagram, everywhere. This is the Kylie Cosmetics gloss in You Are the Sun. This is the best gloss I have ever used in my life. Actually, I have one other one by So Addicted, Jewel, which is a really, really clear, good shade. If you want to do a clear, like, nude lip, this one is perfect over any lip color. Genuinely, I can do like a dark nude, like brown, or I can do like a pinky nude. I can throw this lip gloss over it and it's life-changing. And it also is not sticky. Like, it doesn't feel like a big glop of lip gloss. It just looks like the perfect thin coat, but at the same time, in pictures, my lips always look wet. They don't feel wet, they just feel normal, like lips. But in every picture I take, it looks wet, and I love that. So if you guys are looking for a gloss, I would try any of these high gloss. I think it's a high gloss, maybe. I don't know, yeah. The high gloss formulas by Kylie Cosmetics are really the best glosses I think that she has. The last thing I'm going to talk about is an eyeliner, and this has been my favorite eyeliner I've ever used for years. I have repurchased this over and over and over. This is the Clinique eyeliner, and in A28, I believe. I want you guys to see, I don't know if it'll focus, but there's no name on this because I've rubbed it completely off. This has been so used. I wear a winged eyeliner every single day, and I wish you guys could see. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys how many eyeliners I have. All of these eyeliners right here are essentially the same thing. They are pen eyeliners. I don't have any that you really like dip. I have one L'Oreal one, which I never use, but they are all pen eyeliners. And if I am running low on my Clinique one, I will use one of these. But for the most part, these are completely full and absolutely never used because my Clinique one just does the job so well, and I absolutely love it. I feel like Clinique is a very random brand for me to be mentioning, but if you guys know, one of the very first ever like major brands that I worked with was Clinique. They were like the first brand to ever like give me a full dedicated video and like do like a full sponsorship with them, and I was so appreciative of them, and they really have amazing products. But this eyeliner for years has always stuck with me. I've always worn it, and recently, well, I mean for the past like year now, I've been doing only winged liner, and this is just the best one for it. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to kind of compile all the things that I have been loving, not just for the past month or two, but for years that I have just always loved. And I feel like you guys, maybe if you missed it or you guys are new here, here are some brand new products for you to try. A lot of them are super affordable, and so they will all be linked down below in the description box. You guys can go check them out, buy them, let me know that you bought them. It makes me so happy when you guys send me pictures of like, oh my gosh, I bought this mascara, I bought this lipstick because of Keaton. Like, that legit warms my heart, makes me so happy. It makes me feel like you guys are really my friends, like when I suggest something to you guys. So thank you guys for that. And also thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up right now in the comments down below. Comment if you are a new subscriber and you guys just hit that red button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I am very active on there. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.